Science Club at Waldorf is a very interactive club which allows students to express themselves while learning basic and complex principles in science and math. In order for them to execute their projects, they learn exactly the science behind each and every project. They learn the precision in order for them to create these projects. We include chemistry, physics, and all of the scientific inquiry that should be followed in order for a certain project to work. We go from spreading awareness by creating a clean energy powered city to creating details in making a hydraulic system, for example, or what's the reason the Newton's cradle moves the way it does. So at the beginning of the science club, students, especially the younger ages, might seem confused and anxious because they don't know what's coming. They don't know what we're going to make. Is it going to be hard? Is it going to be physically or mentally hard? So we lead them to express themselves and work out all of the ideas behind the project. We allow them to believe in themselves. We allow them to make mistakes and learn from them. We do, because that's one of the best ways to learn. They know that science is fun, so we make it fun for them. We allow them to enjoy whatever projects they make. And it's not the simple project. It's a project that has so much behind it. They are allowed to even design their projects the way they want. They're allowed to make them the shapes they want. They get even choices in order to implement a certain idea. So this way, they make sure they're learning, they make sure they are having fun, and implementing all the academic and scientific skills that they learn with us during the lab time.